Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And Izzy, what we doing today?
Pikmin.
Pikmin, here we go.
It's your throw the math tool.
You already drew them at school? Okay. So do you want to show me how they done?
I yes, but I need pencil and eraser.
Pencil and erasers.
Yes.
Okay, so grab something. Yeah? Okay, so Izzy's gonna show me how to do this. And he needs a pencil and an eraser. Okay, that's good. You've got it both. That's a pencil and that's an eraser. Oh, am I using a pencil as well?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, here we go.
Okay. First, we draw the circle.
Okay, so we're using pencil as guides first.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Draw a circle.
Then I add a body.
Okay. Then you add a body.
Something like this.
Is mine incorrect?
Yeah.
Smaller like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
So just all
add some limbs.
we're adding limbs.
Yes.
And some leaves down here.
Yes.
Okay.
And so don't forget about this.
So they have a little stem on the head.
Yes. Okay, you did different color like red, yellow, blue, purple, white,
Oh.
rock. Tell me why they're rock Pikmin.
So there's a rock
Wing.
Pikmin as well.
Eyes and green.
I want to draw. Actually, I'm gonna go with the blue one. But let's continue.
I want to do blue.
Okay, you do blue and I'll do red.
Okay, but the red one have a nose.
The red one has a nose. Oh, so they're all slightly different. Okay, so.
Yes. First, I draw the eyes.
Hmm. So it overlaps the circle a bit.
Yeah.
Okay, so it overlaps the guide.
Almost.
Almost overlaps the guide. So that one eye over there
And other one here.
and another eye over there.
Then you add the red one, some nose.
Okay, so the red one gets a little nose.
Actually,
Okay, but that's my nose now.
sorry. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So, it's one more thing. Don't forget about the pupil.
Okay, so I'm adding a pupil. Can it just be a circle? Or like any pupil?
Oh yeah.
Letting mine in.
Well, adding mine some mouse. Well, I know the blue Pikmin have a some mouse, but I'm gonna do.
The blue Pikmin has a little mouth. Oh, is that your mouth? Okay.
Yeah. Well, the blue Pikmin mouth is sad, so I do
Oh.
heavy.
And
Then we gonna do
the
this.
stem.
Yes.
Okay, so I've got a stem. Well, so what goes on the stem? A leaf? Or
A bloom or a flower.
okay, so a leaf, a little bloom or bud, or the open flower.
Oh yeah.
Can I do the open flower?
Yes. And I gonna do
I'm doing an open flower.
this.
My Pikmin has an open flower. And yours has a little leaf. Okay. Let's continue. Let's see.
Better make sure to make a mouse open anyway.
Okay, so now you have an open mouth. Huh?
Then complete the head. Well, almost.
Completing my head. For a second degree. And I stop there. I stop there.
Yes. Then draw the hand like this.
Just some fingers, 3 fingers.
Yeah.
Okay, so I draw my 3-fingered
Yes.
hand.
Every Pikmin have three fingers.
Okay, so every Pikmin.
So you have to do with the other one at the other end, same with feet.
Okay, so 3 fingers over here. I'm moving my page. 3 fingers over here. Same with the feet, 3 toes.
Yes.
And there's my 3 feet.
Then draw the arm and the leg.
so now we're drawing in the actual arms and legs.
Then finally draw the body.
Okay, I'm still drawing my legs. And now finally I drew the body. And I'm just drawing those lines at the right spots. And that's my Pikmin!
Yep,
So,
remove all the guides.
oh yes, we're supposed to remove our guides now.
Yes. If you
So, blue Pikmin has a mouth and red Pikmin has a little nose.
well, a pointy nose.
Pointy nose. Oh man, my nose isn't quite pointy. But okay.
Yeah, next time if you don't know like anything like ask me first.
Okay, I will. Let me erase my guides. I'll ask you next time, Drew.
Alright, and if you want to draw a yellow Pikmin, draw a ear, like a pointy ear.
So the yellow Pikmin has pointy ears?
Yeah, they're like Link.
Oh, like Link?
Then you have a purple one. Make him extra fat with a little bit of hair, something like 1, 2.
So he's extra fat with a bit of hair.
Yeah. And the white Pikmin, they don't draw a nose or ear or mouth. They draw the eyes red.
Okay,
They're
so
completely red.
White Pikmin has big red eyes.
And the wing Pikmin make him small bodies
Okay.
and draw some wing. And the glow Pikmin don't add a ghost thing.
I see. But now, time for color.
Yep.
You've got blue and I've got red.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll grab a red. Yeah, that's red. Sharpen this a bit. Here we go.
Yep.
And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our Pikmin. Izzy's got the blue one who has a mouth, and I have the red one who's supposed to just have a nose, but my nose kind of just looks like a little smile. Okay, and he's got the leaf, and I've got the full flower.
Yep.
Okay, so
And a little drawing.
okay, sure. And that's Izzy's drawing that he did at school.
Well, I thought the purple one have a white one, but I realized it was purple.
Okay, so he had to have a purple flower as well, a purple bud.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the one like pink. Yeah. And I forgot to mention about the pink one have blue eyes.
So that's what my red one's nose is supposed to look like.
Yeah.
Okay, but they look cool.
Yep. And
Yep.
they have ability.
And they are very easy to draw, so everybody can draw their own Pikmin.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So maybe we should make another video where we draw a whole bunch of these on a page.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
But that's it for now. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please
Yep.
like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos, and always remember to be good
Have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.